Do you have water or flood damage? If you've got a big mess, don't deal with just any cleanup service. Do business with a professional water cleanup and restoration company you can trust. We have all the resources needed to get the job done right for you, and we're available 24/7 for any emergency. Whether you have a major disaster or a smaller problem, business or residential, we can get it looking and smelling as good as new, fast. We value our customers, which is why we strive to make sure each customer is completely satisfied with the job we've done for them. Call us today for fast, thorough, and friendly cleanup you can rely on.